Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make 豚ともやしのうま塩炒め. It's very simple and budget-friendly pork and bean sprout stir-fry. But it's more flavorful and delicious than you can expect from the ingredients. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this 豚ともやしのうま塩炒め. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 400 grams of thinly sliced pork, any part you like, but it's thinly sliced. 300 grams of bean sprout, some garlic chive, or you can use regular chive. 1 tablespoon each of sesame oil, sake, and Chinese soup stock or chicken stock. 2 teaspoons of potato starch or cornstarch. 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Some salt and pepper and black pepper. Let's cut the chive. The bottom end is dried, so let's cut it off just a little bit. Cut them into half, put them together. Cut them into half, put them together, and into half. And you can put this with the bean sprout. Let's make the seasoning mixture. So here I have 100 milliliter of water, sake, sesame oil, Chinese soup stock, garlic paste, potato starch, some salt and pepper, and black pepper, as much as you like. Give it a good mix. And the seasoning mixture is ready. Heat up about a tablespoon of vegetable oil in the frying pan over medium heat. And let's cook the pork. Once the pork is browned, add vegetables. And just keep cooking until it's wilted. Try not to overcook it. You want to enjoy the texture of the bean sprout. Okay, turn the heat off and let's add the seasoning mixture. Give it a mix one last time because the starch is sinking at the bottom. Give it a mix. Then, turn the heat back on and cook for a minute. Kill the heat and it's done. Let's serve on the plate. More black pepper if you like. And 豚ともやしのうま塩炒め is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. The bean sprout add nice texture to the dish and it's so good. The ingredients are very simple, but it's really flavorful and delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 豚ともやしのうま塩炒め is the main, so it goes here. Plain rice here, and celery and egg soup or any soup you like here. Anything you like for the side dishes. But how about carrot salad for one of them, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!